was so excited when I saw this online. It is so cute. So this was sent to me for review, and they are little stickers where you can go in and create your own little scene. You have the little characters over here, and then you have the area that you can put them all into. It does come with these little tweezer sets, which I thought was a really nice detail. So that way it's a little bit easier for you to grab them because they are on the smaller side. But this is so adorable. I can't wait to get them out because they are just so fun and so cute looking. So here's how you start, and each one of these sheets will have like the design on here. So this is what you want to recreate on the bigger picture here. So you have all of these stickers, and these are really, really great quality. They are nice and thick. The paper is really thick. There's really good bright colors on here, so they just pop out, and the stickiness is good on this as well. I did try a few earlier and they stick on really, really well, but these are so adorable. So you have like all the stairs, you have the little scenes, and then you have the little characters as well. You have like a little cat here or a dog. So just so cute. And then again, you have the tweezer set that you can use to pull these off. But I'm really impressed because the quality on these is great, and you will have so much fun with this. It's adorable. I want to demo for you just how easy it is to use these stickers. So you can see that the stickiness is really good on there. They are pretty well stuck, so you will need to pull it off with the tweezer. And then I'm just simply going to stick on here just to make sure that I have my little window, make sure it's lined up appropriately. Okay, there it is. So then I would just simply press it down, and you can tell that it is nice and stuck. I'm not able to lift it up really easily. So there you go. So now I'd go ahead and put the other windows on and continue with my scene. Final thoughts on these. They are so much fun, even as an adult, but kids would love this as well. And again, I like that they include the tweezers, but they're so bright, so vibrant, and so much fun.